Hello, 5 years update with my Pontiac. Yeah, I have now owned this car 5 years. Right now it's not driving because it needs a visit at the car shop. I have some issues with the fuel and carburetor. But now you can watch what I have done to this car during the last half year. In the middle of the summer update, Pontiac. Yes, this spring I had some surface rust here. I had to sand it down and do it all over again. I painted it too early the last time I painted it. What else is new is this spare wheel. I finally have one which fits to the car. It was blistered and I gave it a red paint at home. This issue is not fun. The hubcap has been bended after it fell off the car when I was driving, so now I'm searching for another one. A little piece of metal here missing, but that is about to change. Here it is, and it came out of this Chevrolet car from the old door that were replaced. Yeah, dirt. Now guess what I am doing? I'm about to show you. Every year I remove the surface rust underneath the car, and now taking it to another level by buying this toy. Cleaning is underneath. The car will be blistered, but not now, because there are other stuff that need to be done here. For example, some welding jobs that I have to put my money in, so I do this for now. The steering is gonna get a little bit more serious work with some paint. And now it's clean as possible, from my opinion, and the next step is paint. Yeah, now it's painted. Smells good. And I am very dirty. I'm satisfied. Hello, what do you think about my work? Are you satisfied? Step 2, there it is, in the car. Time to clean down here all the dirt and paint. Brush it, sand it, clean it, and now it's paint time. I just love paint. Now I'm satisfied with this dirty work. This is the end of the work, removing some surface rust in the fenders and cleaning everything, and now paint and put the wheel back. I'm so happy to end this boring work. I often still have start issues, and now it's the fuel line. This installation here is something that someone made very quick. and it's leaking everywhere. This have to be replaced somehow. No car shop for this issue. I bought this today and they gave me this for free. Thank you, Hydroscans, for giving me this stuff that I need very much. I had to take a taxi to get there, and it's gas leaking out of the car. Now I want to fix this. New installation. This is very exciting. A packet from Texas arrived today with car parts. There in this packet here are some wing guards and a bumper guard, and I'm very excited to get this stuff, and I hope I will not get disappointed when you see things on photos, but they look rather good, as I can tell from the photos. This is the place in Texas. As I can tell from the photos, the cars are in fact Pontiac 53 in good condition to be a parts car, good parts on that car. Four-door, and still there in the salvage yard. I was close to making another deal last year. Yes. We parts from this very rough Pontiac Chieftain wing guards. Little bit more rusty than on the photos. Ooh, I have a lot of work to do, but still useful for my car. When I have no other parts, there are not so many options, and the salvage yard here, they have the parts that I need, and I think it was a good deal. Stuff like this is no fun to discover when things arrive, but you can't see this on photos. This one is a little bit bended. I don't know how to make these fit to the car and why, and this one doesn't look that great. No dents. And I would use my regular cleaning for this. Some lemon acid project. This bumper guard need a sandal or a sledgehammer. I don't know. We will figure out. This one needs some treatment with another hammer that I own. And I can do all this work outdoors. Great. Well, now it's fixed. Next step is lemon acid, toothpaste. The bumper guard is gonna take a shower together with me. I choose to clean all of them. This evening in my bathroom I use lemon acid, toothpaste and swintle. I'm using this very smooth here on the chrome, and on the inside I can rub it really hard and get it clean. And I use gloves because this can hurt my hands and get very dirty, like my bathroom, but it's easiest to clean. Good morning, and here are the parts which have spent the night with the toothpaste and lemon acid on. So the next step is here in the kitchen. Rather clean. I must do some little more work in some small spots, but for most it's clean. Another bumper guard is on the way from America. The ones that I ordered. That's great. Hello out there. I have figured out these two wing guards are a little bit too rusty, and I have sanded down to the metal surface and keep the chrome here in the middle. So I have done here on this corner. I think that could be cool until one day when I re-chrome these, but for now I keep them like this. Maybe some varnish or clearer, I don't know. This is how I want them now. Polishing. I have straightened out the last small dents on these, so now there's only scratches in them, and it's okay. It's the part of the history of the car. Now I have bought the missing bolts for the wing guards. Sevex. This is not brandy, it's varnish. Oops. Bumper guard action in front of my house, and one wing guard on this bumper. I will put bumper guard on as well. Oh, I like that new look of my car. Cool. Let's get into this. Front bumper with wing guards at home. I had to figure out another solution for these. They wouldn't fit into the wing guards, so this was the next solution, and now they are there. Next bumper guard. Oh, it's finally there. Whole day working with this, and even in the rain weather. This was very difficult to put on. It's not straight 100%, this horn, and the other one I don't know. It's finally there, and I'm happy to see it. Pretty cool to have a walk around my car now.